back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing the mystery wheel of cake challenge. So we have so many ingredients here that we can use. For example, we have rainbow drops, marshmallows, edible eyes, edible unicorns,
edible icing.
We have edible pens, rock popping candy, loads of different coloured icings, Sour Patch Kids, tiny eggs, whipped cream.
Raspberry jam.
Yeah.
These are icings what we have. We got chocolate and we got vanilla. So we are gonna do rock, paper, scissors to do who gets that icing. And Mommy can show them the icing wheel.
Okay, so do you want to do rock, paper, scissors, see which flavored ice cream we get?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Woo, I won! Okay, so I want vanilla frosting.
I like chocolate anyway.
Okay, let's get it.
Yeah, I really know I got the chocolate.
Smells really good.
When on my chocolate. It tastes good. Let's stop.
Okay, let's get putting it on. We can cover that in ice.
It's so good so far. Get all of that over
So
there.
glad
I'm so glad I got this chocolate. It's good, but it's actually dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate.
literally
Dark chocolate.
ice.
Yeah, look at that.
Make sure it tastes really good, so I win.
Hey. And by the way, our dad is testing them up there and oh my god, it's going everywhere.
It's doing really good.
It's going everywhere.
Daddy's going to tell us whose is the best cake at the end. Isn't he?
Yeah,
I
he's going
think
to
he's
taste
going to
test.
say mine.
He's going to be Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay.
Okay. Just make sure I cover up all.
I'm getting all that chocolate in there.
I'm even going to put it on the sides.
I am. Oh my god, it looks so yummy right now.
Yeah.
It looks like a giant Jaffa cake. Mine does. Getting all over the place. Mine, because I'm trying to put it all over my cake. Looks so good.
Whoa! Wait, that looks really good. She's doing actually, I think she's doing better than me.
It looks so yummy. It looks like a really
I wish
big
I went for chocolate now.
It's actually dark chocolate.
Yours looks like carrot cake, Ruby.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's all over the plate.
It's all it is a carrot all over
I
it.
find that when you use vanilla icing, it's easier to put like loads of toppings on because you can actually like see them. So.
I like dark chocolate. I'm gonna come as I'm doing it all with the edges. Mommy, am I?
Yeah, you're reaching the edges.
There we go.
It's not sticking. Okay, make sure it gets.
Is there enough chocolate on there now, Bella?
Yep. And I'm done now.
I need to do my edges.
It's good.
Sides.
Because I'm the youngest, I get to go. So let's go.
Ooh, what do we get?
Coloured
Coloured
icing.
icings. Okay, so you can pick from red, purple, blue, or green. Oh, okay.
I like
You could do a pattern.
now. I'm just doing like a little blob.
A blob. Okay. Okay. Just
Doing a blob.
there you go.
Here's harder.
Okay.
That's all I'm gonna
That
have.
was a bit tough to do.
Okay.
Right, let's go to
Go.
my spin for round number one. Okay. Ooh, see what I
That's
get.
a small one.
Mini eggs. Okay.
Okay.
That should look pretty good. With. Okay, so let's put them on my cake.
They look like Easter eggs. Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh my
Why?
god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's so many. Okay.
They're real big. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. There you go. That looks really good. Okay. I
Look
like
at
it.
Easter egg cake.
Okay, Bella, you do your spin for round number
You
2.
do it.
See what you get?
That's on spin.
Poopsee popping candy.
Ooh!
Ooh, that's really good.
Okay. And then I have that pink one I can't reach.
That should be really good on your cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how much I'm done using. Not using all of it.
Okay.
Okay.
You can eat that now. You can eat that throughout if you want.
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go to my spin number 2.
Good spin.
Do I get mini marshmallows?
Ooh,
Got these.
they're my favorite.
I actually said I wanted these before we started filming, so that's really good.
Oh my god. Baby.
Aww.
That really helps. Oh, shut them everywhere.
Okay. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. Right.
Stop
Let's
them
get
everywhere.
some and
Might go
spray
everywhere.
them.
Well, it
You
could
can
have.
push them into the cake.
Oh. Feel it. Oh, I like mine so far. I would definitely eat this.
I like mine so far.
Ooh. Okay, I like that. I made a bit of a mess doing that. But
Okay.
okay.
Make them. Nice. Not
Okay.
done.
You're round number 3. Let's see what you get. Ooh. Okay. What could you get? Poopsee popping candy again. Okay, so you get that again. You want to put some more on?
I want it really to pop. That's why. I did
Wow.
it. So, I want it. I want it really.
That'll be very poppy.
Oh, this! I forgot there's tattoos in this.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay. Put that in.
I'm getting rid of pumpkin.
And they're different colours as well, so that actually looks really nice.
Well, it looks pretty colourful.
That's gonna be a good
That's
cake.
how many I'm gonna use for now.
Wow. Okay,
That's
that looks really good. Okay, so let's go to my
It's
spin number
pineapple.
3.
This flavor's pineapple. Let's taste some out the packet.
Okay, my spin number 3.
I
Let's see what I can get.
pineapple. That was like one. Okay.
Edible glitter!
Glitter.
Wow, I really think I'm doing really good here. Okay, so I think
There's
that
purple, red, white, or silver.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Purple.
Okay.
Purple. Okay.
I think I'm gonna use pink when I get it.
Down. Pardon you, Bella. Okay.
Glitter. I like that.
Open it up.
I like that colour. There's a cat.
Just pop the top
Pop.
through. That's
Oh.
it.
Tastes pretty good. Okay, get some. There's a lot. Okay,
That's
just put a
too
bit over
many.
here.
I like that cake.
I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Okay,
Mine looks like
put that back.
colourful
Anyone to
devil.
use if they want it. Wow, I really like mine.
Three,
It's very Eastery. Okay.
2, 1.
Here's spin number 4.
Yay, I'm excited.
Ooh, let's see what you get. Your cake.
I'm really excited.
Poopsee
No.
popping candy.
I only had that too many
Oh my
times.
gosh. Is
Do
it
you want to
too-
spin
too
again,
low?
Bella?
Yeah, you want to go again?
You do one. I went one. Jane.
Get coloured icing.
Coloured icing.
Okay, so what colour do you want to pick this time?
And then go for blue icing.
Blue. So I know it's really hard, so do you want me to help?
No,
or
I
go
know
for it?
now.
Okay.
Push really hard for it.
Yeah, just go super hard with it. That face. Aw. Are you sure you don't want help?
Yeah. I did only one drop.
You've got the popping candy on it.
And chocolate on her arm.
Yeah, you've got a face as well.
Can you help me, Rubes, again?
Yeah, sure.
Rubester.
Okay. They are actually super hard to get out. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, that's good. It's getting kind of really
Two,
hard there.
they are pretty colours.
They are. Your cake looks really nice, but mine does too. Okay, let's go for my spin number 4. Let's go.
That was a small one. Didn't you do the
Well, let's see what we get. Jam?
Jam.
I don't know if that's going to be very good in mine.
Some jam.
Ew. Yucky.
Use a spoon. Okay.
The icing spoon.
Ew.
Baby, you got to get more than that.
Really? I have to get
Yeah.
more?
As to get bad stuff, you still got to get more than that.
I think jam's quite good.
Jam on cake.
It's
Jam
covered
on
in
toast
glitter.
is good, but not on
How's that?
cake.
Yeah,
Is that
it's
enough?
fine. Yeah.
Okay, good. I don't want to put too much.
Let's have a look at the cakes as it stands.
I think the worst thing on mine
How
has
much
to be the
down
jam at
below?
the moment. It's ruined my look of my cake.
3.
I wanted a pretty cake. Okay, go on then.
Yeah.
Spin number 5.
If I get some marshmallows.
Oh. Glitter!
Bella got glitter.
Hey, can't
Which
see
one
them.
do you want, Bella? Do you-
Can't see. There's this nice pink. There's this silver. Oh my god, I like silver. And there's pink one.
That one's silver there, look. I think the other one was white. And there's pink.
The pink one.
Which one are you going for?
I'm going to go for this.
That one.
Yep.
Silver.
I like silver. Oh my
That
god,
should
there's
look really
tape
good.
on this.
Oh yeah, you just pull it down. And it
Thank
mark.
you.
It's easy to go for the bottom.
Okay. I'm going to get
Then-
all of the glitter.
Just put your finger through it.
I know.
That silver looks really, really nice.
Pop.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it looks really dark.
I thought you got silver.
No, I didn't get
That is
silver.
red.
No, it's like, I think it's a pinkish,
like
darkish.
Oh yeah, you cover that popping candy for when Daddy tastes it.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
used
you
all
like
of it. I
What
used
is
all
it?
of it.
Underneath it.
I used all of it.
That's fine.
Oh.
I like all of it.
Hey, wow. Okay,
Rubies go round 5, yeah?
Yeah, my spin for number 5. Let's go see what I get.
Ching ching. The ching ching when you spin it.
Squirt cream.
Yes!
Whoa.
Okay, whoa, okay, squirty.
It actually matches
I'll stand up.
It actually
Squirty
matches
cream.
Oh my god, I should get
Okay.
white
Shake it
and
up.
shaving cream and white icing. Actually, it looks like a snowman cake.
Yeah.
I'm liking mine so far. I think I'm getting pretty lucky today. Okay, I know what I should do.
Tip it up a little bit more. It'll be easier.
Oh, I like that what she's doing. Do one of those like round thingies.
Right, 1 sec, I just do this part. Oh,
Whoa.
shake it up. Oh, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Might be using all of it.
Oh,
Shake that.
there you go. How does that
It
look?
looks really, really good.
I'm
when I
doing
get
pretty
that,
good
I'm
here
gonna do a
today.
little heart.
Shake that up in
You're
case
doing
Bella gets
okay.
it. I think I'm doing pretty good today. Look who's on my side. Okay, round number 6 for Bella. Off you go. Ooh, what can you get?
That is eyeballs.
Eyeballs, edible eyeballs.
Edible, edible eyeballs.
Oh.
I can use that for
Edible
the
eyeballs.
eyes. I want to do eyes on this one.
Oh, I did cover up
I
the
really
jam.
wanted the edible eyes.
Cool.
So I can do it.
Okay. Oh, okay, so opened it. There you go.
Okay. And then get
Two.
2 eyeballs. 1 eyeball
2.
and 2 eyeballs.
Could be a monster with loads of eyeballs.
I'm not
Yeah, to
gonna
like
go-
cover it in eyeballs.
No, I'm not
Like a
using
Halloween cake.
Yeah, we should do one of these
them.
challenges.
We should do
on
one of these on Halloween.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The day
it's a
before
Halloween
Halloween.
It looks really weird like that. And that actually, do
Are
you
you
know, because the
putting any
blob's
more
been
on?
covered in glitter,
Yeah.
it looks like a gnome.
Oh yeah.
So, if you put any more on, or are you just having 2 eyes? Do you think?
Yeah, don't feel afraid to put any more.
I'm doing a monster.
A monster?
But it's actually pink because, you know, monsters are a different colour. One.
The four-eyed monster.
Yeah, because monsters have loads of eyes. I watched something that has one like this.
Oh, that's a lot of eyes.
And let's do.
You can see around every corner.
And one more here.
7 eyeballs on that monster.
How about these?
Okay, let's go to my spin number 6.
Okay.
Go.
Didn't do a chicken done.
Which can I get?
Markers.
Markers. Okay.
Maybe you can draw it on the marshmallows.
Okay, let's see what I
You
can
can draw
get.
it on the marshmallows.
So what colour? I'll go with pink because I want to have a really nice kind of like cake. So pink. See what we can do.
Really
It'd have been better to get them on the first spin.
Yeah, because like it'd be easier. Okay, so I'll just put like a line. Wait, actually, but it's quite hard. There you go. I did a cross. That was really hard to put on. But there we go. Put it there. Okay, Bella, you go to your spin number 6.
Unicorn rainbow drops.
Oh,
They are so good.
they are so pretty with my cake.
It was even better with my cake.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Don't be afraid to tip them on. You can tip them.
Oh, whoa.
And you can move them about with your hands as well, don't forget.
Yep, I'm the one mine.
Wow.
Spread them, spread
That's
them,
really
spread them. One over here. Pick them. I'm poking them.
Wow.
Job! Eyeballs! Do you want to spin again?
Yes. Oh my god.
I really want those. It would look so good in my cake. I might need a little bit more glitter.
Looks like kids traveling in mud, what they always do.
Oh.
There you are. Take off the sticky tape. I'm gonna have another wafer. That's all of them.
Look at your cake.
I used all of that packet. I like.
Okay, let's go to my spin number 9.
I haven't got jam so far. That's good about mine.
I thought I have.
Squirty cream.
Yes! Because some fell, so I can just go there. And they're kind of melting. Okay.
But Dad was still. Dad likes jam anyway.
It went everywhere.
You tip it upside down for it to come out. You know when you're squirting it?
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Go back over everything. This is so good. Okay. Oh, good.
Not too many. Whoa.
Okay, Bella, let's go to the last round. Hopefully we get lucky on this one and get something really good.
I got the plums. Okay. Plums. Little baby ones.
Ooh. Oh my god.
You were just testing that one.
What?
That's good.
It's like a unicorn thing.
Do you like them?
being over there. Wow, your cake's looking really, really good. Oh.
Moved it with my arm. Not so colourful.
Oh. Any more?
I think your plump fell off.
And
Okay, so let's go to my last spin. Please be something really good.
That was a little spin.
Markers? Markers? Hello, markers? Okay, well, I'll go with a different colour this time, and I'll go with yellow, because I'm trying to go for an Easter theme here. So, a yellow.
Nobody
Sour
got the
Patch
Sour Patch Kids.
Nope. Okay, right.
I'm gonna eat them right now.
There we go. I coloured a marshmallow. Okay. Wow. Looks so good. Okay. So these are our cakes that we've ended up with from this challenge. This is mine.
Ruby's cake.
A lot.
And this is Bella's
A
cake.
rainbow.
Which
theme.
one is the best?
And by
We
the
are
way,
about to find out.
And it looks like it's rainbow and more fountain going down.
Yep. I'm calling this one the Easter cake.
Easter cake and the rainbow cake.
Yep.
Right, shall we fetch Daddy?
Yeah, let's go get Dad.
Let's go get him.
And the winner is whoever baked this cake.
Yay!
Well done, Bella. But here's one I made earlier.
And Bella's the winner, so she gets these Poopsee Slime surprise makeup sets.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. Now I'm going to go eat my cake.